Now we'll hear from Daniel Ray, a community leader, technical trainer, consultant, and public speaker. He gets excited building teams that reflect diversity, equity, and inclusion. In this session, he will share ways to create a diverse and inclusive set of community members.
Thanks, Deborah, and thanks to the Power BI Women's Summit for this invitation to present about different people I know in the Power BI community and specifically my allyship to women in that community. My Power BI journey began in 2018 when I met Jessica Jolly. Jessica and I worked for the same company training end users, but Jessica was bringing Power BI knowledge and ways to provide analogies to Power BI for novice users that were just getting in to the visualizations and the work that you can do with Power BI. Jessica is one of those unique individuals that can take really complex topics and present them in a way that anyone can understand. And she was my first ally, male or female, within the Power BI community. She is someone that I can still go to with Power BI questions to get those answered. Dona Sarkar is somebody that I met at Microsoft that is in leadership. And I met her when she was the leader of the Windows Insiders group, and I joined when Windows 10 came out. Dona moved to the Power Platform, Power BI team, and was somebody that I met and had a one-on-one conversation with in her role as a senior leader at Microsoft. Dona was instrumental in not only lighting the passion about Power BI under my interests and connecting me with different opportunities at Microsoft. Years before, I met LeAndra Jordan. LeAndra is another Microsoft certified trainer and was somebody that I met when Microsoft Ignite was in Atlanta, Georgia. LeAndra reached out to me and said, "Hey, Dan, do you know Dona?" And I said, "Yeah, I do." And she was going to kick off her She's Soul Techie YouTube channel. And her first guest was Dona. I was so excited for LeAndra, and I was even more excited when she asked me to join the two of them to talk about everything Power BI, allyship, Microsoft ecosystem. We were all over in 45 minutes, and it was super fun and engaging. LeAndra introduced me to Jackie Chiotti, and Jackie is another one of those Microsoft certified trainers that's super passionate about Power BI and all things Power BI, Excel, and Office 365. Jackie was responsible for my invite to speak with you here today and has been another one of those people that I can reach out to about any questions Power BI related or the Microsoft technical community. She's a great person to get to know if you don't already know her. And then when I returned to Microsoft in 2019 as a full-time employee, I met Eden Porsangi. And Eden has one of those unique skills of blending deep technical knowledge with presentation and the people skills to bring that technical knowledge to life. Eden has great presentations that not only teach you about the technical side of Power BI, but you have some fun in those presentations as well. So they're super memorable. If you have a chance to see Eden Porsangi present, you don't want to miss it. So she is another person in my Power BI community. There are others that I met through my travels with that first job that I met Jessica Jolly at. I traveled the United States for over a year teaching end users about Power BI and other aspects of the Office 365 system. And in those travels, I met Mariah up in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And other than getting up there to visit family, I didn't know a lot about the technical community. Mariah not only let me know about user groups and events that they had going on, but was also somebody from a large company in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and asked specific questions about the Office 365 usage reports that you could get out of Power BI. She is someone that I've kept in touch with and that I can go back to ask about real world information from those reports. A great resource from the Power BI community that I met through traveling and talking about Power BI with hundreds of professionals. And finally, DeNisha and I met through my invite from Jackie to speak here today. DeNisha is a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, and in that role, gives back to the community and shares her passion about Microsoft technologies. DeNisha is just the latest of a large group of Power BI influencers that I have met over the years. And that continues to grow. And I enjoy learning more about Power BI and the Power BI community every single week. And in its interaction with products like Microsoft Teams, Excel, and the other applications within Office 365. In closing, one of the things that I have realized is the people that I know in the Power BI community are what make it strong. By meeting different people, I have those experts at companies like Mariah. I have people that are passionate about the technology like Eden. I have that very first person that I met in the Power BI community, Jessica Jolly. I have people like Jackie that got me connected with people like DeNisha. And all of these people have influenced my understanding of Power BI and the technical people and the passionate people I can reach out to when I have questions. Thank you for attending, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you for your session on People You Should Know, Daniel.